Well, climate change has different aspects, one of which is the change in average temperature or length of growing season. But another that gets a little less attention is increased variability. The old saying is climate is what you expect and weather is what you get. And farmers deal with the weather. I was just talking to an apple grower today about growing peaches in Maine, which has always been a little questionable. And he said the problem is the roller coaster. And so, yes, the summer on average is warmer, but we get these ups and downs in the early spring, which is not nice for peaches. So the significance of AgRadar is it helps growers deal with the variability in the weather. And it takes the weather forecast and the observations and gives them a translated version that tells them what that means in terms of how their crops are developing or when the pests are going to arrive or when a disease is going to cause an infection. So it takes the variability of climate and makes it less unpredictable and fewer surprises and gives them the ability to plan ahead. So with the funding from the USDA Climate Hub, we now have scripts that go out and grab this free weather data and its observations and forecasts, so we can run dozens of sites in Maine and hundreds around the country to do the same thing, and not just for apples, but we've been working on hay, forage, production and drying models, livestock heat stress, thermal index. I've already got a honeybee activity model running to help growers know when the bees are going to be busy in the orchard so they don't spray on top of them. There's just literally endless applications for this stuff because weather drives everything in agriculture.